Welcome back to the Kube 365 platform training. In this unit, we'll walk through how to create a new employee onboarding form. To begin, navigate to System Settings. Then, under Forms, click Create New Form. Here, you'll see several available creation methods. For this example, we'll select Create Form, give it the title New Employee Onboarding, and choose the HR form category. Once ready, click Create and Confirm. After the form has been created successfully, you'll be taken to the Form Designer page. At the top right, view the form version number and see who the form is currently checked out by. Check the form in and out to prevent multiple users from editing it at the same time. If there are pending changes, you can choose to discard them before checking the form back in. On the left, browse available form fields and containers, or use the search bar to find specific fields quickly. On the right side, preview or publish the form, or open the three-dot menu to delete the form or view its history. You can also see the total number of available fields, along with how many are currently in use. In the Form Properties section, review details such as the form title, category, and default zone columns. Set the default label placement as needed. For this example, set it to Top. Changes are saved automatically, but they are not published automatically. Publish the form to make those changes available to users. Start building the form by dragging in a zone. Name the first zone Personal Information. As a best practice, use a field code prefix so the field type can be identified at a glance, especially during auditing or maintenance. Once the zone is in place, begin adding fields. Add a full legal name field using a text field. Include help text if needed to guide users. For example, provide a sample format or instruction. Preview the form at any time to see how the help text appears. Next, add preferred name and personal email as text fields. Apply a regex to the email field to enforce a valid format and prevent incorrect submissions. Customize the error message shown when validation fails. Test the regex using different email formats to ensure it behaves as expected. Add a phone number field and apply a regex to validate the input format. Add a new zone called Employment Details. Inside this zone, add a job title field add a department field using a select field, also known as a drop-down list. Include options such as IT, Human Resources, Legal, and Finance. Preview the form to confirm users can select from the drop-down. Add a start date field using a calendar field. Configure the date format, minimum and maximum year, and other calendar settings as needed. Preview the form and select a date to verify the setup. Add an employment type select field. With options such as full-time, part-time, contract, and intern. Set a default value, such as returning the first option in the list. Add a work arrangement field using radio buttons. Set the options to Office, Remote, and Hybrid. Adjust the layout so the options appear in a single row for a cleaner design. Add a table container called Emergency Contact. Define the number of rows, table width, and display settings such as row numbers and labels. Customize the Add button label. Set the table width to auto-adjust and click Save. Inside the table, add fields such as contact name, contact phone number, and relationship. Enable an Other option where applicable to allow custom input. Add another section for bank details. Use a drop-down list for the bank name and a text field for the account number. Finally, add a confirmation zone at the bottom of the form. And hide the label. Include a checkbox with a statement confirming that the information provided is accurate and that the user agrees to the company's code of conduct and employment terms. Improve readability by adding line breaks and spacing between sections. For example, separate the form information and personal information with spacing. And use line breaks under the label to improve visibility. For table containers, line break and space fields cannot be added directly. Instead, use additional zones around the table and apply spacing within those zones. These adjustments help create a cleaner, more user-friendly layout. Once the layout is complete, click Publish Form. Before publishing, the form is not available for use. After publishing, users can access it from the Forms page and submit it. To test the form, open it and create a new submission. Complete the required fields, and click Submit. Review the completed form to confirm the submission was created successfully. That concludes this unit on creating a new form in Kube 365. You should now understand how to create a form, add fields, zones, and tables, configure field properties, improve layout, and publish the form for use. Thanks for watching.